Let me begin the question. This is exercise 5.1 and question number 3. For the following APs, write the first and the common difference. So this question will be very easy for you because here AP is given, यानी ये continuous form में है, but हमें पता करना है कि what is the first term, यानी A क्या होगा. So this is the first term. So here we will write it as A or A1, that is our wish. जनरली उसे ए नाम दिया होगा, सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज बिटवीन ए1 एंड ए, एंड दैट विल बी 3 हियर. ओके, देन दे आस्क दैट राइट द कॉमन डिफरेंस. सो अगर हम यहाँ पे डी ढूंढने जाएं तो व्हाट विल बी दी डी, तो इट विल बी a2 minus a1. सो इफ यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम द सेकेंड a2 minus you are subtracting that 3, so you are getting -2 over here. But you have to take care, it is -3 and it is +1, plus minus will make minus, means operation will be of minus, so you are getting 2 over here and the symbol of the greater number, that will be minus. So this is how you can solve this D. Now here if you are not satisfied the first one, that if common difference is correct or not, you can find second difference too, means you can subtract a3 minus a2 by to make surety that you did correct or not. So here you will write a3, that is -1, then you are writing minus and it is 1. Minus minus will make plus, यानी 1 plus 1 होगा 2, but symbol you will write as -2. So here both the time we are getting D as -2 only. Now here let me solve the second question which I have written over here. That is -5, -1, 3, 7 and so many. So let us write RA. RA is A1 only and that is -5 over here. So let me write the first term. Now here we have to find the common difference, that is D. So that is what? That is A2 minus A1. A2 में से हम A1 को subtract कर रहे हैं. So here you can see when we are subtracting A2, that is -1 and we are doing -5. So what it will make? Minus minus will make it plus. Plus 5 minus will make difference as 4. So here let us find another D, that is A3 minus A2. So what is our A3? That is 3. We are writing minus over here and that -1. Okay, so minus minus will plus. So 3 plus 1 will make 4. So difference again we are getting as 4. So this is the concept of this, that how we can find A and difference D. Now let us do the third question, then we are doing the fourth question. So here let me rub these questions and let me write another questions. Okay, so here let me write the third question. So what is that? That is 1 upon 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 upon 3 and so many. So here we want to write A, so that will be 1 upon 3 क्योंकि first term 1 upon 3 है. If we want to find difference is what? A2 minus A1. So what is A2 over here? That is 5 by 3. And what is A1 over here? That is 1 upon 3. So what will happen? Denominator same है, तो we will write it as 1. हमें LCM लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But if it is in the form of 2, then we have to take LCM. So we have to multiply it like this and same सामने भी multiply करना पड़ता. But here the most important thing, we not have to do any extra thing. We just have to do 5 minus 1. So it will become 4 by 3. So here I got difference as 4 by 3. Let me find second time that both the time it is same or not. So let us do the A3 minus A2. So let us minus 9 by 3 minus let us find the rest thing, that is 13 by 3. ठीक है, sorry 5 by 3. So here we are getting 9 minus 5 as 4 by 3. So different the second time we got as 4 by 3 only. Okay, अब यहाँ से यूँ पूछा जाए कि find the rest another term या बाकी के terms ढूंढो. So यहाँ से हम difference अगर पता चल जाता है तो हम आगे के term यानी कि A5 ढूंढ सकते हैं. A5 क्या है? तो that is A plus 4D. There we do just have to substitute value of A as well as value of D over there. What is it? That is 4 by 3. So what it will become? That will become 1 by 3 plus 4 4s are 16 by 3. So eventually it will become 17 by 3. So here we can find A5. As well as if they ask you to find more terms, so you can find A6 and that will be A plus 5D. So what will be the value of A over here? So that is 1 by 3 plus 5 into 4 by 3. So you are getting 1 by 3, 5 4s are 20 by 3. So you are getting 21 by 3, and that is the value of A6. And if you want to find A7, then also you can find A7. So A7 will be A plus 6D. So here you are writing 1 upon 6, and D you can write as 16 upon 3. Sorry, D is our 4 by 3. So we are writing it. So it will become 6 4s are 24 by 3. So it will make 25 by 3. And that is the value of what? A7. So this is how we can find 3 more terms too. So as here you can see, we will do the fourth sum. So A here we are getting as 0.6. Then we have to find D, यानी कि difference ढूंढना है. That will become A3. कोई भी ढूंढेंगे, but let us write A2 minus A1. So here it is 1.7 minus 0.6. So what we will get? 1.7. Point के नीचे point, decimal के नीचे decimal लिखना है. Then you have to write 0.6. 7 minus 6 will make as 1, and 1 means difference you got over here, that is 1.1. If you want to check it again, so you can check it by doing A3 minus A2. So what is A3? That is 2.8 minus 1.7. So here if you are writing 2.8 and decimal के नीचे decimal लिख के 1.7 लिखोगे, so 8 minus 7 that will be 1, and 2 minus 1 will become 1.1. So here we got again answer as 1.1. So here the common difference is of 1.1. Let me read the fourth question, that is which of the following are APs? इनमें से AP में कौन है? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the 3 more terms. But as you can see, हम पहले से नहीं बता पाएंगे कि ये AP में है या नहीं. पहले हम difference ढूंढेंगे by taking that difference. If difference is same, then only we will say it is in AP. Is what I mean to say. Here I have written 3 questions. Let us solve the first one. That is 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. So let us write the first term, that is 2. Let us write the difference D. So what is difference? That is A2 minus A1. So if I am writing A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2. So if I am getting it difference as 2, but second time if I am checking difference as A3 minus A2. So 8 minus 4, so I will get 4 over there. So अगर difference different आ रहा है तो आंसर लिखना है no, it is not in AP. ओके, एंड अगर हमें ये AP में है ही नहीं तो 3 more terms ढूंढनी ही नहीं. Why we are not finding A5, A6 and A7? Because difference हमें पता नहीं, we can't predict, because 16 और 8 में कितने का difference आ रहा है. So it is difference of 8. तो हमें नहीं पता कि next में कितना difference होगा, तो we can't add it more, so we can't find more terms. So that's why अगर वो AP में नहीं है तो हम question आगे बढ़ाएंगे नहीं. Now here we have to do second question. Let me do the second question. What it is? It is in the form of 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 and so on. So let us write the value of A, that is 2. Let us find difference D, that is A2 minus A1. So 5 by 2 minus 2. So as I told you, here we have to take LCM because denominator is 2. We want to make it 2. तो 2 अगर हम multiply कर रहे हैं तो we are getting 5 minus 2 2s are 4 and these 2 1s are 2. So difference we are getting as 1 by 2. But second time also we will find difference. So difference will be A3 minus A2. So what it will be? So let us write what is A3, that is 3 minus 5 by 2. Let us take LCM over here. So it will become 3 2s are 6 minus 5 by 2. So it will become 1 by 2. So difference we got as 1 by 2. Now here we have to find, means it is in AP. अभी हमें पता चल गया कि ये AP में है तो यहाँ हम लिख देंगे yes, it is in AP. And if it is in AP, then what we have to find? We need to find A5. So what will be A5? A5 will be A plus 4D. ये कहाँ से आया था? We having formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. यहाँ पे टर्म्स होगी, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स N के फॉर्म में होगी. अगर हमें फिफ्थ टर्म ढूंढनी है, so हम यहाँ 5 सब्सटीट्यूट कर रहे हैं, so it will become 4 minus 1 into D. So that's why it will become a plus 4 minus 1 यानी कि 5 minus 1 4d. So इसी तरह से हम ये क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, तो ये यहाँ आ रहा है a5 is equals to a plus 4d. So let us write the value of a, that is 2. Let us write the value of d, that is 1 by 2. Here I can reduce it, so I will reduce, so it will become 2 plus 2 ones are 2, so it will become 4. So here we got answer as 4. Let us find a6. What will be a6? That will be a plus 5d. What is 8? That is 2. 5 let me write as it is, and it is 1 by 2. 2 plus 5 by 2 will make 2 2s are 4 plus 5 by 2. So it will become 9 by 2. ठीक है, यानी a6 का आंसर आया है 9 by 2. And let us find the last one. Let us find that 2. अगर हमें लास्ट टर्म ढूंढनी है यानी कि a7 ढूंढनी है, थर्ड वाली 3 मोर टर्म्स पूछा है, तो a7 क्या होगा? a plus 6d. ठीक है, so write the value of a, that is what? That is 2. 6 we will write, and here we will write 1 by 2. 2 3s are, so here we will write 2 plus 3, so it will make 5. So a7 we got as 5. So here they asked us to write 3 more terms, so here we have found a5, a6, a7 if it is in AP. Here let me do the third sum, that is what? Here we have to write a, that is minus 1 by 2. Here we will find difference, that is a2 minus a1, so minus 3.2 minus 1.2, so it will make plus, so it will become 3.2 plus 1.2. If I am writing it inside, minus 3.2 plus 1.2 plus minus will make minus, ऑपरेशन माइनस का होगा, so it will become 2.0 which is 2 only, and the symbol of the greater number, that is minus. So here difference we got as minus 2. Second time let us check, if it is in AP then only we have to find the rest term. तो a3 minus a2 करेंगे तो क्या होगा? So it will be minus 5.2 minus 3.2, so it will become minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Let us check it in drop, that minus 5.2 plus 3.2, that will plus minus will become minus, so it will become 2.0, as well as symbol of the greater number, that will be minus, so here we are getting d as minus 2. अगर ये सीरीज में है तो हम लिख देंगे yes it is in AP. अगर ये AP में है तो हमें a5 ढूंढना है, so which is what? a plus 4d. so a है हमारा minus 1.2, 4 as it is, and difference we got as minus 2. So here I will get 4 2s are 8, but plus minus will make minus. Minus will make plus, but 8.0 is there, and that is 1.2. Both are in minus, it will make plus, so it will become 9.2, but symbol of the greater number minus. Means so many things students have to remember, so many operations they have to remember, then only they can solve this question in easy way. Here we have to write a6, that is a plus 5d. So here I will write minus 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2. So here 1.2 plus minus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11.2, and symbol will be minus. So here we got our a6. Now we have to find a7. So what is it? It is a plus 6d. A we are writing minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2. So here we are getting minus 1.2 plus minus 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13.2, and the symbol will be minus, and that is the value of a7. So here this is the concept in which we are finding a as well as d, and we are substituting. If it is in AP, then we are finding more 3 terms. So this is the concept of this question. I hope you understood.